Welcome to the Husky Podcast, where knowledge meets in every class. Together we'll explore the world as we unravel the truth.
Hello, my name is Tiffany Gallegos, and I am the owner of Sweets by Tiffany. I recently graduated here from the CAOT department at East Los Angeles College. I make treats like churro cheesecake, cakes to goes, mini cakes, mini bun cakes. Basically anything you want me to do, I am determined to do it. My inspiration, I want to say my grandma, because my grandma actually not forced me, but she actually told me, do something that calms you down, because I struggled a lot with anxiety. And like I said, and I've always said it before, my business was never supposed to be a business. It just became just because like I suffered so much with anxiety. And when I came here, it was just off the roof because I was like, what am I supposed to do? Everybody was just telling me like, oh, they're not gonna tell you what to do. They're not gonna help you. They were just putting that in my head, but I think that was only to motivate me to like do it, because you can't, like, no more holding mommy's hand, basically. It first started in high school. In high school, I had a difficult time actually learning everything. I did struggle a lot trying to figure out how to do certain things. For example, I never knew how to even use a computer. So whenever they would give me essays, I would freak out because I'm like, okay, I cannot do this. I would tell my mom. I remember I would stay up to like 3 a.m, try to get done like just 2-page essays. And it was just a struggle. My mom would be like, your hard work is gonna pay off one day. Like, just continue doing it, continue doing it. And then when I finally came here, it was like, okay, I feel good, I can do this. And then I was taking the class with Karen Cross, and it was a really great experience. I really fell in love with the CAOT department. I started doing more computer work. I would even be happy to do computer work at home. And I just kept taking classes, and I fell in love with it, and that's where I pursued my certificates in, and I love this department overall. I wanted to build my internship and, get a feeling, because, I wasn't ready to just jump right into the workforce. And luckily, I was able to get in. And I'm actually the first volunteer. So, a lot of people do not know that. And, even though sometimes I might not know everything, like I said, I'm very determined, and I will get to the bottom of it before I let you struggle on your own, because I know what it is to struggle. I'm not actually getting paid. I can get here whatever time I want to, but I treat it as a job. So I'm prepared for this. I come and I say good morning to everyone. I come with a strong attitude, even though I'm tired sometimes, because I do have a business and I do work from home. So it's like sometimes I can be up and on my feet for like 19, 12, 20 hours a day. And I'll come here and I still have that great enthusiasm. Of course I do. I do see a lot of people struggling, and I do tell them, like, it's okay. Like, I was once in your shoes before, and, like, it's okay to fail. It's okay to feel like you can't accomplish anything, because we're here to help. I tell Wing, I tell Sylvia, come help. If I can't figure out something, I ask for that extra help. I tell them, nobody's perfect. But you're here, you're making a difference, and that's all that matters. So now, because of the CAOT department, now I'm able to use Excel, something that I never thought I would be able to use. I didn't even know how to use it. No formulas included, but Access, now I use Access to keep count of my inventory and where I buy things, keep track of everything, and it's just been a wonderful experience, especially with essays. My sister is, she's going for her master's right now. Okay, she actually came to me for help to write a paper. You know how proud I was in that very moment? And I just thought, thank you, COT. I was like, thank you. Like, you guys actually like made me a better person, and a better person only because like I'm more calm now. Like, if I need to do something on the computer, my mom tells me, oh, can you do this? Or why isn't this not working? I'm like, I got this. And there I go. But I am determined to be my aunt. So my aunt has been working for the LA County General Hospital, I believe. I think that's what it's called. It's over there by One Memorial. Okay, so that lady can type almost 100 words per minute, maybe more. And I'm like, I'm gonna get you one day. And I'm determined for that. My biggest struggle that I would say would be like trying to process information. Sometimes it's a little difficult. Like, you can tell me one thing and I'll be like, okay, I understood this. And like, I'll write you a paper, what I understood, but then you get the paper and you're like, this is not what I wanted. So and then I end up having to like do it again. For example, one day I had a 25-page essay for ELAC in the English department for 101. And I remember working on it for 2 weeks straight. The day I was supposed to turn it in, my iPad shut down and deleted it. I freaked out, but the thing what helped me, I write everything on paper. So before I type it, I write everything on paper. And that was a big help. My only downfall to it was that it was already edited and it was already like all the like misspelling or like, you know, the pronunciations or the apostrophes, periods, everything that's supposed to the grammar spelling check. I got help from this person named Patrick. If you're in the DSPNS department, Patrick is like the best person that will help you. Like he'll take the time. He even give me 2-hour windows because he knew, and he would meet up with me several times, and he literally saved me. It was just amazing. Really thankful for him. Okay, so like I said, there's the EOPS. That's one of the resources that they have here. What that is like if you need help getting a laptop or a book, you know, you go to them and they will help you. I even heard that maybe they might even give you like a grocery card or something like that. That's what I heard. I personally, you know, don't use that just because I'm not in need of it, and I would much rather somebody who actually needs it receive those benefits and, you know, get that. There's also, if you're a young mother and you're taking classes, we offer I don't know specifically the name of the department, but you know, you can drop your kids off and they'll take care of it, and I believe no fee. We also have the DSPNS. Like I said, if you're a person who has like a disability and stuff, we have wonderful counselors in there that are ready there to help. Like I did mention, Patrick is one of them. I will say that sometimes you might not have great experiences, but it's all about knowing the person, and if that person knows how to teach you, then we have professors on standby, you know, if you ever need help, you know, even though some classes might be online, they're in there, and you just have to make the effort to like message them and everything. But the computer lab, we have computers, you know, that have the softwares already in there. You know, also we also have a portal. If you're someone that's not able to make it to the lab, we also have the portal, and you're able to access everything on there from your house. Maybe one day we'll probably open up a bakery. I do want to open up a bakery. I do think about it a lot just because with opening a bakery, it comes a lot of responsibilities and a lot of things that I really do have to think about before I actually like pursue that. But hopefully, you know, one day that will be it. Oh, my inspirational person who makes me want to continue at life and, you know, pursue everything I do is my mom. She is the reason why I'm here and the reason why I'm even breathing, to be honest. She's helped me a lot. Don't give up. Don't discourage yourself. Don't think it's too late, because nothing is ever late. You can start tomorrow, and who knows, it becomes something great at the end of the day. I help the students. I assist them in their work and, you know, in Excel, PowerPoint, Access. But I'm like, if you need help with anything, let me know. I do have to remind them that I am here to help, because if not, they won't call me. I literally get the same students, and I'm like, everyone, I'm here to help too. Like, my name's Tiffany, you know, you need help, wave me down, you know, I'll lift up. Yeah.